Join me as I challenge myself to create a stunning piece of art using a professional drawing tablet with a 4K screen and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. As an artist, I've always been fascinated by the intersection of technology and creativity. Professional drawing tools have revolutionized the way we create, offering unprecedented precision and control. A 4K screen and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity are game changers, allowing for an incredibly immersive and expressive drawing experience. Many artists struggle with lower quality drawing tools, and I've been there too. One of the biggest frustrations is the lack of precision, which can be really discouraging. You try to create smooth lines, but they end up looking jagged and rough. And then there's the issue of screen resolution. A lower resolution can make it difficult to see even the smallest details. I've spent hours trying to work around these limitations, but it's just not the same as having the right tools. When you're working with a lower quality screen, you might notice that your lines look pixelated or blurry. It's distracting and takes away from the overall quality of your artwork. And let's not forget about the pressure sensitivity, or lack thereof. It can be tough to achieve the right amount of pressure, which affects the entire drawing process. Using lower quality tools can be really limiting, and it's not just about the technical aspects. It can also affect your creative flow and overall enjoyment of the drawing process. When you're struggling with your tools, it's harder to focus on the art itself. So, what makes a 4K screen and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity so special? For starters, the 4K screen provides an incredibly high level of detail and clarity. You can see every single pixel, which means you can create with precision and accuracy. And with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, you can achieve a wide range of line widths and styles, from delicate whispers to bold statements. The increased pressure sensitivity also allows for a more expressive drawing experience. You can create subtle shifts in tone and texture, adding depth and nuance to your artwork. And with the 4K screen, you can see every subtle detail, which means you can refine your work to perfection. Let's take a closer look at how these features come together in action. As I start drawing, you can see how smoothly the lines flow and how accurately the pressure sensitivity responds. It's an incredibly intuitive experience, allowing me to focus on the art rather than the technical aspects. The difference is clear: my lines are smooth, my shading is rich, and my overall artwork is more detailed and refined. It's amazing how such a high-tech tool can feel so natural and organic to use. In conclusion, investing in high-quality drawing tools can elevate your art to the next level. With a 4K screen and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, you'll enjoy an unparalleled level of precision, control, and creative freedom. If you've had any experiences with drawing tools, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more content like this, be sure to check out my other video on the best drawing tablets for beginners. Link is in the description. Xencelabs Pen Display 24, drawing tablet with 4K screen monitor, 99% Adobe RGB graphic drawing display with 40 customizable quick keys, 2 battery-free pens, 8192 levels pressure for Win/Mac/Linux. Brand Xencelabs. Connectivity technology wired/wireless. Pressure sensitivity 8192 levels. Operating system Win/Mac/Linux. Special feature anti-glare glass, 4K UHD, studio quality drawing experience, 1.07 billion colors Pantone and skin tone validated anti-glare glass, 4K UHD, studio quality drawing. Carefully designed pen display, features exceptional glare reduction and superior clarity in brightly lit environments. The Super AG etching allows for users' head to glide smoothly along the surface of the screen. With meticulously tuned and adjustable pressure curves and 3 grams initial activation force. Brilliant color performance, this 4K UHD IPS screen with resolution of up to 3840 by 2160 and 1.07 billion colors. This display offers Adobe RGB 99.43%, 96.11% coverage of DCI-P3, and is also Pantone and skin tone validated. Can be hardware calibrated with internal 2 calibration slots. 2 battery-free digital pens, comes with 2 battery-free digital pens for different preferences. 3-button pen V2 Plus eraser and thin pen V2 Plus eraser. 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 5080 LPI pen resolution, tilt recognition. Delivers a similar drawing feel to traditional media. Increased productivity, 3 device control buttons, settings panel, pressure curves, virtual tablet to switch displays. as well as the included quick shortcut with integrated OLED display lets you see the button assignments on glance. The shortcut keys give you 5 sets of 8 keys, a total of 40 programmable functions per application, includes physical dial, offers 4 function modes that can be used for zooming, rotation, brush size, and other functions. Also comes with a clip to move to desired location on the display, or take off to use in various positions suited for the user. Ergonomic modern design. This new display has a simple but well thought out design that is comfortable for hours of use and can adapt to the creator's preferences. Quiet fan, less performance during your creative time, comprised of a magnesium alloy back housing to dissipate heat. Draw easily on the edge-to-edge glass and adjust seamlessly with a one hand with the included tilt stand with a one maneuver from 16 to 72 degrees. The Pen Display 24 covers all productivity needs, delivers on comfort with adaptable solutions and workflow.